Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Randall. This is the McClures. We react, review, make fun of, laugh at stuff over here. We're sponsored by McClures.store. We sell quality American products, help support the country. You can also help support the channel. McClures.store. Links are in the description. Alright guys, we are checking out Bubba Sparxxx today, Bird Dog. I didn't really know that Bubba was dropping new music all the time still. I used to listen to him back in the day. I heard him on a track with Adam Calhoun, and kind of sparked my interest again on Bubba Sparxxx. So we're getting back into him. We're going to put some more of him on the channel. And let's get into it. Let's get into it. Bubba Sparxxx, Bird Dog. That beat sounds familiar.
About country as a bird dog. I ain't know they did it like me, I never heard y'all. Just like my brother P.D., I'm gonna take my shirt off. Hop in.
Sound about as country as a bird dog. I didn't know they did it like me. I like Bubba. He's just smooth with it.
Did it like me, I never heard y'all. Just like my brother P.D., I'm gonna take my shirt off. Hop in the skirt off. Done work my whole life, I won't ever clean the dirt off. Never clean the dirt off. My little homie's wife just ran away with her boss. Man, fuck it, it's her loss. Bird dog, what's happening? Patty tailgate, load up, let's get it. Bird dog, what's happening? Patty tailgate, load up, let's get it. Bird dog, Patty tailgate, load up, let's get it. Bird dog, bird dog, let's get it. I did a whole lot of fumbling. Maybe I can finally pick it up and run it in. I doubt I ever fall in love again, but I really like the company of a woman friend. Real friends, I don't have a ton of them. Made a mess of the affair, yeah, but some of them. It was humbling, but some of them laughed when my stomach was grumbling, and I don't love none of them. Don't send me no emojis, don't call me.
Damn. Okay, I don't got a lot of friends. What did he say? People weren't looking out for him when he was hurting, when his stomach was grumbling. Hold on, let me back it up.
Stomach was grumbling and I don't love none of them. Don't send me no emojis, don't pick it up and run it in. I doubt I ever fall in love again, but I really like the company of a woman friend. Real friends, I don't have a ton of them. Made a mess of the affair, yeah, but some of them. It was humbling, but some of them laughed when my stomach was grumbling, and I don't love none of them. Don't send me no emojis, don't call me babe.
Okay.
I think everybody flaw these days. Even
so burn bridges, but some of them weren't there for him when he was hungry. So
love me when I'm getting lonely. Hey, truthfully, we all need grace. Amen. Bubba, hot damn, man, why you still rapping? They just something like a lot of years old. Hell no. Hey, as long as my passion lead the cash transaction, let's get it. That's just how the shit go. Let's go. 30 more.
he said, "Hey, Bubba, why you still rapping? Aren't you old?" Hey, as long as it pays me, bro, I'm doing this thing. That's a real one. That's a real one.
Then I fell up on in it, just chilling, then we headed home with it. Woo. They must didn't hear me when I said I'm gonna get it. With my people, I'm forever gonna split it. Woo. In a jacked up Chevy with a yellow bone in it, some people just never gonna get it. Woo. Unlimited flow like my cell phone minutes and that bullshit I'm stepping on in it. Come with it. I'm about country as a bird dog.
Unlimited flow like my cell phone minutes.
I ain't know they did it like me, I never heard y'all. Just like my brother P.D., I'm gonna take my shirt off. Hop in the skirt off. Done work my whole life, I won't ever clean the dirt off. Never clean the dirt off. My little homie's wife just ran away with her boss. Man, fuck it, it's her loss.
Damn.
Bird dog, what's happening? Patty tailgate, load up, let's get it. Bird dog, what's happening? Patty tailgate, load up, let's get it. Bird dog, Patty tailgate, load up, let's get it. Bird dog, let's get it. I wanna talk to my mama so bad, but it feels like a number got a block on me. And I know it's just the devil, but he won't ever let up and it's killing me, doggone it. And heard my daddy getting old and I love him so much, so what? I've not shown it. Shit, I've always been my opponent. Yeah, I know it sound odd, don't it? Anyway, see the thing about life is you can't live it twice and it really don't last that long. But I guess the bottom
Ain't that the truth, bro?
Line is we all on borrowed time and you gotta pay back that loan. When everybody get a turn and the feeling when it burn, will make you wish you had a hazmat on. Yeah, all I seem to be worried about is, girl, let me see that ass you got stashed in that stone. Gone. I moved from Georgia up to Tennessee. I ain't know that it would nearly be the death of me, literally. I got love, is you kidding me? Fell enough pain just about break me mentally. Unlimited frenemies. First love, then wife, ex-wife, then a memory. It'll be what it's finna be. Shit, it'll be what it's finna be. Thank God. About country as a bird dog. I ain't know they didn't like me. I never heard y'all. Just like my brother P.D., I'ma take my shirt off. Hop in a skirt off. Done work my whole life. I won't ever clean the dirt off. Never clean the dirt off. My little homie's wife just ran away with her boss. Man, fuck it, it's her loss.
Damn. Bird Dog. Bubba Sparxxx. Okay. Okay. I dig it. He's still doing his thing. Still doing his thing. He's just got a swag to him. He always has. That's what we like about it. All right, guys. Appreciate you stopping by for that one. McClures.store. Links in the description. You want to support the channel and the country? Buy American products. America first.